Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be speaking about the full moon. So, today is officially the full moon. And although this is going to be speaking about the current transit, which is Sun in Virgo, Moon in Pisces, this video is just going to be generally about how to work with the energies of the full moon. So here in Thailand, they have full moon parties and half moon parties. And this is things that people don't realize is a ritual masked as a party. And there's nothing wrong with that. But I'm trying to give you the importance of these full moons, half moons, quarter moons, waxing, waning moons, okay? So the full moon is usually a time where you give thanks, you're looking back on everything you did within the month, the 29 and a half days. You're thankful for the energies you've utilized. You go out on parties, quote unquote, or you do something spiritual and connect with the energies. And me personally, I ground. I'm a Pisces. Even though the moon is in Pisces, I still ground regardless. I give thanks. There's certain rituals you can do, which I could speak on another time, to harness energy from the moon, because the moon at its full peak is the time it's most reflective. The time it's most reflective is the time the moon is at its most impressionable. So with the full moon comes clarity of self. You may have new ideas, more premonitions, more idealization of self, because you've now realized that you are subconsciously attracted to certain events that seemed coincidental, but it was actually synchronicity that was playing out. So the moon has everything to do with your subconscious mind. So with that, you become more full of yourself. Just say the word full of yourself. Like I said, idolization of self, but not idolization of the ego, more from the aspect that you know who you are, you know that you're divinely connected, you know that there's certain energies that are guiding you. And this comes with the full moon aspect, because when it's shining bright, by doing certain things like moon gazing, you now tap into your psychic abilities that everyone has, you know. Obviously there's people out here that are more psychic than others, but everybody has psychic abilities. Psychic abilities can just be literally as simple as knowing the time your mom's gonna come home, hearing certain, like, I remember when I used to hear like the vehicle my mum or dad was driving, and I could know they were on their way home, and they're at the top of the road. That's still psychic, you know. But this is just a smaller physical aspect of the psychic ability. But the more you tap into this, even dogs, where's the dog out here? Dogs can hear when their owner is near to home by 2-3 blocks, because they hear different frequencies with their ears. They hear higher frequencies, so everything is frequency. So when you tap into this full moon, you want to be receptive. You want to be able to allow yourself to receive intuition, higher guides, higher enlightenment of self, the subconscious mind. You have to allow yourself to receive this light, this reflection of self, because this is what's going to help you and guide you moving forward in this realm. Most people are conscious, which is to do with the sun, light, but you could be blinded by the light. So you need to take back this energy and turn it be reflective of self to know the subconscious aspect that actually you don't know it all, but you can access part of it through the subconscious mind. And when things synchronistically happen in your life without there being a lot of effort or, you know, resistance, everything just happened in flow, this is the moon bringing things into tide, you know? So, yeah, this is just a quick one. I will go more into the full moon rituals, but I just really wanted to speak about being able to allow and receive and be receptive, which is the same thing, okay? Because we live in a reality where the moon is kind of seen as feminine because it is, but people now don't work with the moon, especially men. But if you're melanated, for example, the moon has everything to do with you, and it's not just based on color anyway, you know. But I'm just speaking for the state, for the brothers out here that feel that tapping in with the moon is feminine and, you know, this and that. But actually, the more you move away from the moon and the aspects of the moon, the more you suffer anyway, and the more we see you be defeminized, and the more we see you we see you through the lights, because yes, you have masculine energy, which is go, 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 positivity, positivity, but a lot of guys crumble because they don't master the shadow. They don't master the subconscious mind. So the more you try to act macho and the more you push away from this feminine energy that you don't master, the more we see through the cracks. So master feminine energy, master masculine energy. Harmonize both these energies. Be comfortable with yourself. Be able to allow things to come into your life. Always chasing a check, always pushing out, always doing this and going out and getting it, which I do. But if you always using these energies, oh my God, you're going to be suffering in 2021 and moving forward. A lot of people done suffered. So tap in with the subconscious and listen to yourself. All right, peace.